Yeah, what you're looking at, guys, is my engine out of my car that we did the test run on before we pulled it out. The videos I've been making for you to see were not of my engine, they're someone else's motor, but this is mine. And set it in the trailer, and I went up to the car wash and spent $4 on it. And if anybody has any tips on cleaning up this aluminum crankcase nicely, I think that's all just surface stuff. That's all surface stuff that will come off. But any ideas on any solvent I can put on there, get rid of that, save me some labor, that'd be great. We're not going to tear this motor down. Didn't smoke, ran great, had a new clutch in it, so we think maybe it might have recently been gone through. We don't know for sure, but it wasn't recent because the car's been sitting for probably 15 years. But anyway, we're going to run it, see how she does. Here's some more parts and my generator. They all need detail cleaning, but anyway, just so I have this on record and for y'all to see. Have a good one.